Okay, let's start with A. We have a system of equations right here, right? Here's a system of equations. There's a lot of ways we can solve this, but it's jumping out at me to use elimination. So I have 3x minus 2y equals 14, and I have negative 2x plus 2y equals negative 10, right? And the reason it's jumping out at me to use elimination is because I have negative 2y and positive 2y. So if I add the two equations, 3x plus negative 2x is x, negative 2y plus 2y is 0, 14 and plus negative 10 is 4, and we got our x value, and now I can substitute that into either equation. I'll substitute it into the first one, 3x minus 2y equals 14. So x is 4, 3 times 4 minus 2y equals 14. 12 minus 2y equals 14. Negative 2y subtract 12 from both sides equals 2. Y equals negative 1. So my ordered pair is 4, negative 1 for part A. That's the solution to the system. Okay, now let's do part B. Let me clear everything here. So now I have B, which is up here, and this one's jumping out at me of using substitution. So I have y equals 5x plus 3, and the other equation is negative 2x. I'm going to write it to the side since I'm going to substitute into it, equals 10. And I'm going to take this value of y and I'm going to put it in, or substitute it in for this. So I have negative 2x minus 4 times, and instead of writing y, I'm going to write this, 5x plus 3. 5x plus 3 equals 10. So I'll distribute negative 2x minus 20x minus 12 equals 10. Combine like terms, negative 2 and negative 20 is negative 22x minus 12 equals 10. Add 12 to both sides, negative 22x equals 22, x equals negative 1. And now I can put it into either equation. Clearly, I'm going to put it in up here, right? So y equals 5 times negative 1 plus 3. Y equals negative 5 plus 3. Y equals negative 2. So the answer comes out to be x is negative 1. Y is negative 2, and of course we're going to write it as an ordered pair. Okay, so let's start for C. And we already answered this. Which system above is most efficiently solved by using substitution? And substitution clearly B, and the reason we know that is because the first equation was already solved for one of the variables. And part D says which system above is most efficiently solved by using elimination, and it's clearly A because these two are already set up to cancel when we add the two equations.